we can play some other activity if you like.
Yeah, of course.
So I give you word. After hearing this word, what comes in your mind, you can tell me immediately. You make a sentence, you make a passage, whatever in your mind. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So first one is YouTube.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, you are learning English. I think you knows very well at English. Please let me know what is the important vocabulary and grammar according to your perception. Firstly, I want to start. Please let me know what is the meaning in English. तुम यहाँ आओ.
You come here,
Yes. बैठ जाओ.
sit down.
अगर मेरे पास पैसे होते तो मैं घर खरीदता.
If I get a money, so I want to purchase a big house.
अगर मेरे पास पैसे होते तो मैं घर खरीदता. I think this is a conditional.
If I have a money,
If
I
I
will
had money. If I had money, I would purchase a house.
yes, okay.
Yes. So next, क्या आपके पास किताबें हैं?
Do you have books? You have
Okay.
books?
So you can ask me any question this time.
Yeah. Like we can play some other activity if you like.
Yeah, of course.
So I give you word. After hearing this word, what comes in your mind, you can tell me immediately. You make a sentence, you make a passage, whatever in your mind. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So first one is YouTube.
YouTube. Okay.
After,
I think
yeah,
yes, I think
yeah.
YouTube is very good platform to earn the money as well teaching because since as far as I know YouTube is a good platform for me because I have learned lots of things through YouTube because I didn't have anyone with whom I can have practice. So I think I have learned through YouTube this time because as well you can earn the money a lot if you have a good knowledge, about anything. You can earn the money. So I think
Okay.
YouTube is a very good platform, and yeah, that's it.
So my second word is social media.
So
Social media.
okay, I think social media is I think social media has a two things, bad and good. I think good is I think as far as I learned through social media, very well. I told you recently,
Yes,
okay, and
yes, yes.
I bad thing is I think when you use a lot, social media as a mobile phone, as a TV. So I think that times your eyes is affected by social media. As far as I know, yes, that's it.
Yeah, every coin says two sides. It totally depends on us how to use, why to use. Because the
Yeah.
era of technology, era of internet, with the help of social media, we can learn so many new things. We can learn so many new things. It's totally depend on us. And it's also era of self-learner. And we both are connected just because of social media. It's a positive
Yes,
example.
yes. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Actually,
Yeah.
when I started learning English, so that times I didn't have anyone because so that time I asked every person, could you help me? But so that times, anybody helped me. I think I can understand. This times I have a good platform as a Skype application, which
Yes.
through I have conversation with you
Okay.
as a social
Yeah,
media.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. The positive
Yes.
example.
Yes. Yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
please.
So okay. So we can switch next word. Maybe hard work.
Yes, I think hard work is very important because I believe that times when I started learning English, I have I have a luck. I have a luck. I can achieve everything through luck. But since I have been creating my channel, so even then I felt something like this. Not. hard work is not good. Only important hard work. Without hard work, you can't achieve your goal. You can't earn anything.
Yeah. Hard work is
Yes.
very crucial part of our life. It's very, very important.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Hello.
So
Hello.
next one, yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. So my next word is family.
I think family is very essential, very, I think good. I think very important to
Yes.
I think every person. For every person, actually, without family, you can't survive, you
Yeah, we
know.
can't survive. You are absolutely right.
Yes, so family is very important. Without family, you
Yeah.
can't, you can't do anything, and you are nothing.
Yeah.
Yes.
And they are supporting unconditionally. Always, always. Family, they support always,
Yes,
unconditionally.
yes. Actually, I think family sports is very, important. Is very vital because when you have a sport with your family, so you can do everything. So that time you are not worried about other person.
Yes, yeah, you are right. Absolutely right.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yes. So please let me now. So let me now. Knowledge is important as confidence is important for learning English. What is the
Both
important?
are
Yes.
very, very important. They both
Yes.
are play crucial. They both are play crucial role, and it's
Okay.
also very, very significant. And these both are play significant role. Confident and what second is knowledge.
Yes, acknowledge.
Yeah, without knowledge we can't do anything. And if we have knowledge and if we have not confidence, so how stick to very well is not impossible. So confidence and knowledge both are very crucial. And
Okay.
with the help
Yeah.
of
It's
like a pillar, it's a two pillar for
yes.
surviving.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Actually, you are learning English. I think you knows very well at English. Please let me know what is the important vocabulary and grammar according to your perception.
vocabulary and grammar.
Yes.
Grammar, yeah, we can say if you learn this language, so everything is important, like a vocabulary, pronunciation, sentence structure, how to present a topic, how to explain the topic. Everything is very, very important. We can't say like vocabulary is important, grammar is important. If you're in a basic level, so first of all, you need maybe little bit of grammar, how to use in a basic level, like was, were, is, rm, everything. If you have no idea how to speak very well, it's not important. So basic grammar is very, very important. And without vocabulary, how is possible to speak? So vocabulary is also very, very important. If we have much more vocabulary, so you can easily explain the topic in a well manner.
Yes,
And if you have
exactly.
no possible to speak, it's not possible. Even these days, I'm also suffering. I'm also facing many problems. How to speak very well, how to communicate, how to explain the topic very well. Just because of I have not so much of vocabulary, and I'm not good at grammar. Also, I know about basic grammar, but while speaking, sometimes I forget. It's happened every time with me. Every time while speaking, I forget.
Okay.
Yeah,
Actually, yeah, you are
both
right. Grammar is very important than vocabulary because these times I know everything related to grammar, but when it comes to speak with other persons, so that times I get stuck because of my lack of vocabulary because I don't have enough vocabulary. Yes, so I
both
think grammar is very important because English is our native, not native language. English is our second language. So if you want to learn, yeah, please.
I am
Hello.
saying basic grammar is important.
Yes,
Basic
basic,
grammar.
only basic grammar, and after that you can have the more much practice because practice is very necessary.
Yeah,
Without practice, you can't achieve.
practice,
You can't speak. Yes,
practice is very important. That's why we
yes.
can say na practice